Welcome back to another episode of Unbound Abroad, the go-to YouTube channel for digital nomads and remote workers looking for the best places to call home. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the captivating city of Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. Known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and delightful cuisine, Lisbon has become a top destination for digital nomads worldwide. Let's see if Lisbon is a good fit for your remote lifestyle on today's episode of Unbound Abroad. Lisbon, the captivating capital of Portugal, has increasingly become a top choice for digital nomads, lured by its rich history, tantalizing cuisine, and hospitable locals. The city's delightful Mediterranean climate, characterized by warm, sunny days and mild winters, makes it an even more enticing destination for remote workers seeking a comfortable and enjoyable living environment. With its relatively low cost of living, picturesque landscapes, diverse cultural scene, and inviting atmosphere, Lisbon offers a unique blend of charm and vibrancy that continues to draw digital nomads from around the world. Lisbon's cost of living is highly attractive for digital nomads and remote workers, thanks to its budget-friendly options in housing, food, transportation, and internet services. For a one-bedroom apartment in the city center, renters can expect to pay between €800 and €1,200 per month, while apartments situated in more suburban neighborhoods typically range from €600 to €900 per month. Houses for rent in Lisbon can vary greatly in price depending on the location and size, but a one-bedroom house in the outskirts may start around €700 per month. It's worth noting that these prices can fluctuate based on factors such as proximity to public transportation, amenities, and the overall condition of the property. Overall, Lisbon's housing market provides a range of affordable options for digital nomads seeking a comfortable and enjoyable living experience. Lisbon's food scene offers a diverse range of options for digital nomads, with prices that cater to various budgets. When it comes to groceries, shopping at local markets and supermarkets can be quite affordable. For instance, a week's worth of groceries for one person might cost between €30 and €50, depending on individual preferences and dietary needs. Fast food prices in Lisbon are generally lower than those in the United States. A combo meal at a fast food restaurant can cost around €6 to €8, providing a quick and budget-friendly dining option. For a mid-range meal at a casual sit-down restaurant, expect to pay between €12 and €20 per person. This could include traditional Portuguese dishes, such as picolha, salted cod, or caldo verde, a popular soup. High-end dining experiences in Lisbon are available for those looking to indulge in gourmet cuisine. Prices at upscale restaurants can range from €40 to €80 per person, depending on the establishment and the chosen menu items. With a vast selection of local and international culinary delights, Lisbon offers a delectable food scene that caters to a variety of tastes and budgets. Lisbon's transportation system offers a variety of affordable and convenient options for digital nomads to navigate the city with ease. The public transport network includes buses, trams, and metro services, all of which provide a wide range of coverage throughout Lisbon and its surrounding areas. A single ticket for the bus, tram, or metro costs €1.50, while a daily pass allowing unlimited travel on all public transportation costs €6.40. For longer stays, consider purchasing a monthly pass for €40, which offers unlimited access to buses, trams, and metro services within Lisbon. Taxis and rideshare services like Uber are also available in Lisbon, with taxi fares starting around €3.25 and an additional 50 cents per kilometer. For those who prefer exploring the city on two wheels, renting bicycles or electric scooters is another popular and affordable option, with prices starting at €5 per hour or around €15 per day. Overall, Lisbon's transportation system is both cost-effective and efficient, allowing digital nomads to easily explore the city and its picturesque surroundings without breaking the bank. Lisbon's internet infrastructure is well developed and reliable, making it suitable for digital nomads and remote workers who depend on fast and stable connections for their work. The city offers a variety of internet service providers, with plans designed to cater to different usage requirements and budgets. For a high-speed broadband connection, monthly plans typically range from €25 to €60, depending on the speed and data allowance. Additionally, Lisbon has an abundance of Wi-Fi hotspots, including cafes, co-working spaces, and public areas, where digital nomads can work while enjoying the city's vibrant atmosphere. In summary, Lisbon's internet infrastructure provides reliable and reasonably priced options for digital nomads, ensuring that staying connected while working remotely is hassle-free and efficient. And there you have it. With its budget-friendly living, vibrant culture, and friendly locals, Lisbon presents an appealing and captivating destination for digital nomads seeking new experiences. As we wrap up our journey through Lisbon, we hope that the information shared in this episode has given you valuable insights into what life in this enchanting city could be like for a digital nomad. Whether you're contemplating making Lisbon your next home or simply planning a visit to soak in its charm, we're confident that you'll discover plenty to admire about this captivating city. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Unbound Abroad. Please take a moment to share your experiences in Lisbon and tell us where you'd like to work remotely from. If we choose your location, you'll receive a shout-out in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes exploring the best cities for digital nomads around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and remember to embrace the unbound life.